Liam, hang on.
And there was
Wait.
this lady who went...
No, hang on. Tell us right from the beginning what happened at the beach today, at Cottesloe Beach.
So I said, is there any dangerous...
No, so what happened? We got to the beach.
Yes, we got to the beach.
And then what happened when we started putting on sun cream? And then all of a sudden...
No, we were talking about dangerous stuff.
Yes.
In the sea,
and what did I say to you?
And I was freaking about sharks.
And what did I say?
At first I heard someone on a microphone and I was like, oh, is that a shark? And my mum said, no, there's no sharks at Eagle Bay.
At Cottesloe, you mean Cottesloe Beach?
And they put on the shark alarm, which sounded...
And then what happened as soon as I said that?
Yes.
What happened? You heard in the distance?
Yeah, I heard in the distance.
There was an alarm.
Yeah, big alarm, and I was like, what's that?
And what did the alarm sound like?
The alarm sounds like...
And then what happened?
And everybody was like near the beach.
And they were swimming in the ocean, weren't they?
And they swam back to shore and they were like standing near the shore looking at the ocean like, I can't see any sharks. And this lady...
And meanwhile, what was lurking in the sea? How big was the shark?
3 meters tall.
And what kind of shark was it? It was a...
what was
it? A hammerhead.
Hammerhead. And this lady told us all about this once we were getting the ice cream. She says it was a shark. We thought it was like someone got whooshed out to sea or got in a hurricane or something like that. And I guess we should...
And what did the lady said, did you have a good time swimming? And she said, did you hear about the shark? And then she told us there was a 3 meter hammerhead, didn't she?
Mm-hmm.